viewers, in our previous videos we have shared anesthesia and integumentary CPT changes. In this video we are sharing radiology 2022 CPT changes. In radiology section, new CPTs are created for trabecular bone score, breast CT, percutaneous lumbar spine allogenic injection, automated advanced coronary analysis, and quantitative tissue characterization. Coming to deleted CPTs, epidurography usually being done with spinal procedures, and surgeon who is doing spinal procedure will also do this procedure. So it is bundled into spinal procedures. Hence, it is not commonly reported. So CPT 72275 was deleted. Complex motion CPTs 76101 and 76102 are also deleted due to limited use. If at all these services are done, they should be reported with unlisted codes. Only one CPT was revised in this section, that is 75573 CT of heart with contrast. Changing of left ventricular and right ventricular is not a major change, but coming to venous to vascular, it provides clarity that the examination includes vascular evaluation of the vessels around the heart if performed. It is a specific code that will be reported for patient with congenital heart disease. Now let's see new codes. Trabecular bone score. 4 new codes were created to report trabecular bone score. TBS is a new software that analyzes the internal structure of the lumbar spine bones to give complete picture of how strong they are. Results are reported in TBS score. Data will be taken from DEXA scan or other imaging data like digital X-ray. It allows separate reporting for off-site post-processing. TBS measures the structural condition of the bone microarchitecture, which predicts the risk of osteoporotic fracture without requiring additional radiation exposure or scan time. CPTs are 77089. It is a global code, includes technical preparation, calculation and interpretation report. 77090. Technical preparation and transmission of data for analysis to be performed elsewhere, that is off-site analysis. 77091. Technical calculation only, that is off-site analysis. 77092. Interpretation and report on fracture risk only by other qualified healthcare professional. Do not report 77090, 77091, 77092 along with 77089 since it is a global code. Breast CT. 6 new category 3 codes are created, 0633T to 0638T. In 2020, there were no CPT codes available to report breast CT. Existing chest CT and CT angiography, imaging and equipment optimization for detection of breast lesions are different than conventional chest CT. Hence, they are created separately. We all know about CT. Computed tomography directs multiple narrow beams of X-rays around a body structure to produce thin cross-sectional view of anatomical layers of the body. Dedicated breast computed tomography is an imaging modality that yields three-dimensional data that can be recreated into multiple imaging planes. It is not limited by breast density and can be performed without breast compression. These codes include 3D rendering if performed. Unilateral codes are 0633T without contrast, 0634T with contrast and 0635T without contrast followed by with contrast. Bilateral codes are 0636T without contrast, 0637T with contrast, 0638T without contrast followed by with contrast. Percutaneous lumbar spine allogenic injection. 4 codes 0627T to 0630T were created to report percutaneous injection of allogenic cellular and tissue-based products. It is a new therapeutic procedure that involves image-guided injection of the lumbar spine using allogenic cellular and tissue-based products to replace or supplement the disc tissue or cells to repair or reconstitute damaged intervertebral discs. The physician administers a percutaneous injection of a cellular and tissue-based product originating from a donor other than the patient to one or more intervertebral discs. Intervertebral disc diseases are a leading underlying cause of low back pain and disability. Degenerative disc disease and prolapsed intervertebral discs being the two most common factors. The physician inserts a needle percutaneously and under imaging guidance into the targeted area of the intervertebral disc. Proprietary allogenic progenitor cells that were derived from adult human intervertebral disc tissue and biomedically engineered are then injected. Report 0627T for first level lumbar injection under fluoroscopic guidance and 0628T for each additional level. Report 0629T for first level lumbar injection under CT guidance and 0630T for each additional level. These codes report both unilateral or bilateral injections. Automated advanced coronary analysis. 4 new codes 0623T to 0626T were created to report automated quantification and characterization of coronary arteriosclerotic plaque using the raw data obtained from CCTA. In addition, the guidelines in the diagnostic radiology section were revised and updated to incorporate these new codes. This automated advanced coronary analysis uses computer algorithms to provide additional analysis of coronary CTA beyond the conventional interpretation of CCTA. Using data from a coronary CTA that is reported separately, the severity of coronary artery disease is assessed by automated quantification of the arteriosclerotic plaque. This web-based service uses computerized algorithms to evaluate the degree and severity of the disease. The computer-generated findings are then provided to the physician or other qualified healthcare professional in an interactive format for their final review and report. 0624T for data preparation and transmission only, 0625T for the computerized analysis only of data derived from the CTA, 0626T for review of the computerized analysis output to resolve conflicting data and subsequent interpretation and report, 0623T if all components of the above listed codes are included. Conventions. These codes may be reported once per coronary CTA. Report coronary CTA separately from automated analysis 75574. Exclude 3D rendering and non-invasive estimated coronary FFR. Quantitative tissue characterization and analysis. New codes were developed for quantitative tissue characterization or analysis of tissue composition using ultrasound or MRI. This is a new technology. Ultrasound codes include quantitative ultrasound tissue characterization, interpretation and report that is obtained with or without concurrent diagnostic ultrasound examination of the same anatomy such as organ, gland, tissue, target structure. Report CPT 0689T without concurrent diagnostic ultrasound examination, 0690T with concurrent diagnostic ultrasound examination. Quantitative MP-MRI. 4 codes 0648T, 0649T, 0697T, 0698T for reporting quantitative MP-MRI for the analysis of tissue composition including multi-parametric data acquisition, data preparation and transmission, and interpretation and report that is obtained either with or without a concurrent diagnostic MRI. Quantitative MP-MRI is a new technology. It uses software to analyze tissue physiology of visceral organs and other anatomic structures non-invasively, and it is a tool to assist the physician in decision making. CPTs are 0648T without diagnostic MRI, examination of the same anatomy during the same session, single organ. 0649T with diagnostic MRI, examination of the same anatomy, single organ. 0697T without diagnostic MRI, examination of the same anatomy during the same session, multiple organs. And 0698T with diagnostic MRI, examination of the same anatomy, multiple organs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates.